dear children. I welcome you in today's revision class. Today's revision class, I am going to give you the revision of Honeycomb Lesson 1, 3 questions. I will discuss some short questions with you. These are very important for your upcoming examination. Why did the king send 2 messengers throughout his kingdom? The king sent his messengers throughout his kingdom to look for wise people. How did the king promise to reward the person who would answer his questions correctly? The king promised to reward the person with a huge sum of money if anyone gave suitable answer to his question. Where did the king find place? The king finally found solace by seeking the hermit's advice who lived in a distant jungle. Where did the king find solace? Place is wrongly written here. It should be solace, meaning peace or comfort. Where did the hermit live? The hermit lived in the forest. Why did the king refuse to give reward to anyone? The king was not satisfied with the answers of the wise men. They all had given different answers to the same questions, because of which he was unable to come to a conclusion. So he refused giving the reward to anyone. What had compelled the king to leave his guards and horse? The king knew that the hermit meet only ordinary men, so he left behind his horse and bodyguards and went to meet the hermit in his hut in the woods all alone. What do you gathered about the wise hermit from the lesson? The hermit was a weak old man and used to live amidst the woods, which he would never leave. He was digging the ground in front of his hut for sowing seeds when king arrived, and the tedious task had made him tired. Who was the intruder? What made him visit the hermit? The intruder was enemy of the king. He had planned to attack the king, but was instead attacked by the king's bodyguards. As they had recognized him, he had received a wound in his stomach. He was rushing towards the hermit but for help. Why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? The king wanted to know answers of 3 questions because he wanted to be a successful ruler. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. 4 options are given: to fetch wise men, to find answers to the questions, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. The correct option is to find answers to the questions. Who is the author of the story 3 questions? Leo Tolstoy is the author of the story 3 questions. Why was the star was eager to know? Why was the king very eager to know the answers of his 3 questions? The king was very eager. It is wrongly written. It should be king. The king was very eager to know the answers of his 3 questions because he thought they would help him succeed in any of his undertakings. What was the first question of the king? The first question of the king was how he could know the right time to begin any action. What was the third question of the king? The third question of the king was what's the most important thing for him to do was, who were, according to the learned men, the most necessary people for the king. According to the learned men, the most necessary people were counselors or priests or doctors or warriors. Why did not the king agree with the scholars? The king did not agree with the scholars because they all answered his questions differently. Why did the king decide to consult the hermit? The king decided to consult the hermit as he thought that the man is wise enough to answer his questions. I hope, dear children, you are going to be benefited with these questions. First, go through the lesson properly, then read these questions to get maximum benefit. Thank you.